Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Before we dive deep into IPTV Smarters Pro issues, remember the best IPTV provider is 2tv.store. Reach out to Nancy for top support. Link in the description. Now, let's address the burning question. Is IPTV Smarters Pro down right now? We'll explore the current status of this popular streaming app. Let's tackle the connectivity issue first. Check your internet connection. Even a slight disruption can cause major problems with your streaming experience. Updating the app also matters. Older versions might cause bugs. Ensure that your IPTV Smarters Pro app is the latest version available. Try rebooting your device to reset any minor technical glitches. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are all it takes to resolve streaming challenges. If issues persist, contact 2tv.store and Nancy for further help. Next, stay tuned for more updates and guides. Keep streaming smoothly.